Are you getting what you pay for when it comes to your morning coffee? Two popular brands are facing two sets of lawsuits and allegations. Y'all knew this morning. The Let Joe Know team breaks down how much money the settlements could mean for you. Here's Joe Ducey.
Do you buy Clover Valley coffee at Dollar General? A class action lawsuit alleges
you promised a certain number of servings and it just didn't deliver.
The suit alleges there wasn't enough coffee to make the number of cups when following instructions. The settlement means if you bought one of 5 Clover Valley coffees between January 2015 and April 2021, you could get up to $17. A different kind of coffee settlement involves the very popular Keurig K-Cups. A lawsuit alleges
Keurig worked with their K-Cup manufacturers to keep the price of K-Cup coffee high.
The suit says the company monopolized the market for single-serve pods and fixed prices. The settlement means if you bought K-Cup portion packs from retailers between September 7, 2010 and August 14, 2020, and you can find receipts, you could get back up to 100%. From coffee to molded interior doors, but similar lawsuit allegations.
These two companies worked together, colluded together to keep these door prices high.
Geld-Wen and Masonite each make the doors, and they're sold at Home Depot and Lowe's. The $19 million settlement means if you bought between March 2014 and September 4th, 2020, you could get at least $25 for each door if you have proof. Some class action settlements don't require any proof, but there is a warning about filing false claims. Now, none of the businesses claim any wrongdoing in making these settlements. Deadlines are coming up quickly. Go to abc15.com/letjoeknow. I've got all the links right there. I'm investigator Joe Ducey. If you got a problem, let me know.